Joining a new ball of wool is not complicated at all. The main thing to remember is to leave a tail of yarn which can be woven in later. If you're changing wool to create a stripe pattern, change it at the start of the row so the whole row is the new colour. Just tie the new colour onto the wool you're using loosely and slide the knot up to your knitting needle, and then continue knitting your piece with the new yarn. When you've finished your piece, just cut the tails off and then untie this knot. I've left a few centimetres on the end of each tail of yarn, and they can be woven into the work later and hidden. If you're changing your wool because you've come to the end of a ball, you don't need to wait until the end of the row, but you do need to make sure that you've got a few centimetres of wool left so you can weave that in later. The process is exactly the same. Just tie a knot, slide it up to your knitting needle, and then start knitting with the new wool. When you've finished, just untie the knot and weave in the ends so that everything is neat and tidy.